Hello everyone, hope you have a nice day. Today it is still a video about the questions we meet in the daily life. The first question, how does the VAT charged? Since July 1st in the last year, for European Union customers, you will be charged VAT based on your order. Some customers may use the RD6006 app for the first time. So after getting the packages, they come to ask me why they are charged VAT twice. Actually, the VAT is charged correctly. First, we need to know the new EU customs law first. If the product value in the order does not exceed €150, you will pay the VAT together with the order. And we will use the correct IOSS number to send the packages. And when the packages arrives at your customs, you will not be charged VAT again, because you already paid the VAT together with the order. But if the product's value exceeds €150, you will not be charged VAT together with the order. You will pay the VAT when the packages arrive at the customs. Okay, now we check the product page. If you live in the European Union, I use Germany as an example. You can see at the product page, it shows the products already includes the VAT price, which means if you order it, the VAT is already included. But some customers may order multiple items in a single order, and they are charged VAT at the customs. They are charged VAT twice. For this, you can check the payment detail. So the single product price includes the VAT. If you order too many items in the same order, which makes the total price exceeds €150, there will be an option shows that the VAT is not collected in your payment detail. So please notice that when you make the order. If you want to pay the VAT together, you make order less than €150. Then it is the second question. How do we pack the packages? Usually we pack one package for one option. At the product page, you can see there are many options. One option for one package. Because if you do not choose commercial express like UPS or FedEx, we will use AliExpress standard shipping to send the package. So there will be 2 kilogram limit for each package. If you receive the package but there are some items missing, you can check if there are other package shipping number in your order page. You can check the shipping machine to see where the rest items are. If there is any questions, just send us a message and we will reply as soon as possible. The last question is about the device name. For our RD power supplies, there are USB version and USB Wi-Fi version. We use RD6006 and RD6006W as an example. RD6006 is USB version. It only supports USB connection to PC software. but RD6006 W is USB Wi-Fi version. It supports USB connection to PC software and Wi-Fi connection to app. When you get the device, on the device panel, they are both RD6006 because RD6006W equals RD6006 plus Wi-Fi card. And the device name shows on the sideway of the box. So if you order the Wi-Fi version and when you get the box on the picture, it shows RD6006, there's no problem. You just need to open the box, find if there is a Wi-Fi card. Okay, if there is any questions, just contact us.